was looming during the Ohio State game, the Houston game. He's tight friends with Sterling Shepard, who's now in the New York Giants. And he's really worked on his route running, especially at the top of his routes. Talks about kind of nudging or pushing off defenders, and he's got his mind on running perfect routes this season. I also see his body as being considerably stronger than it was a year ago.
Shepard, tough time to replace him. It's clear, but I want to ask you a question about that injury that Q was just referring to. That Westbrook wasn't quite 100%.
You had, for instance, the tax revelations before the first debate. Now you have his women coming out before the second debate. That's going to come out before the third debate. Can't wait for that one.
Well, but are you suggesting that this is all orchestrated in some way and kind of working that press maybe is accepting these things that are moved out by Trump and all?
Well, you have to wonder why the press wasn't investigating Trump to this degree 6 months ago, a year ago. He was in the lead in the primaries way before that last summer. You've also seen articles come out in local and national publications, not just the New York Times breaking into that.